Business Dose presents.
In this video, I'll show you guys some magic. So welcome to Business Dose. So my channel, I do upload all this awesome content on how to make money online and YouTube automation. So basically, I base on YouTube automation and make money online stuff. So in this video now, so let me just log out. Let me log out. Okay, so I will show you guys how to get this vidIQ for free. So if that sounds awesome to you guys, let's get into the video. But click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, okay, for more content. So let's just log in with Google. So make sure you're logged in. Make sure your email is logged in before you start. Log in your email, create your YouTube channel. This one is created recently and it's having these massive views. This type of views. it's not easy. Okay, so I've logged in. So I'm logged in now. Okay, let me show you something. So this dashboard for vidIQ. Okay, this vidIQ's dashboard. Okay, so let me show you guys something. This channel was recently, and basically for this tutorial video, you see 13 days ago, 20 days ago, is recently, this last month. Okay, and just imagine views 4,000, 1,000. These views are massive for a new channel. And what really helped me actually was this vidIQ, and that's what I'll be giving to you guys for free. You won't pay for anything. Just stay with me, okay? So let me just explain how to use vidIQ for you. You can get daily ideas based on your channel stuff, because my channel is based on game like this Apex Legend, or this stream game. You can stream games online, just play them online, stream them. So Apex, you see, it's giving me this suggestion, these daily ideas, but it's giving me just 3. So it says come back tomorrow for more ideas or upgrade to get more. So we'll upgrade our account, but let's just wait. Do you see all these massive ideas, but it's not showing me? So we have keyword as well, so you can type in your keyword. I'll just type Apex. I'll click enter. So do you see the Apex Legend search volume alone? 7 million people are searching for Apex Legend per month. 7.6 million people. That's massive. The competition, like the people making videos around this Apex Legends, they are medium. So it's a good niche. Gaming is a good niche. Do you see? So you go to related keyword. Do you see Apex search volume 7 million, medium overall 68. So it's awesome. You can do videos like around this, you get views. Related keyword Apex Legend 0.7 million, Apex Legend season 14 600 plus, Apex season 14 300 plus. Okay, matching terms. This is what I love most. Matching terms works better than all these related keyword and questions. Do you see Apex Legend 7 million, Apex Legend Mobile 1.1 million? Searching for this per month. Just imagine vintage Apex Legend 600 plus per month. If the competition is too high, don't make videos around it. As a new YouTube channel, if you're just starting your YouTube channel, you won't get views. I was strategic. That's why I was getting views of 4,000 views. You see, those proof that I showed you earlier. Okay, so let's just, you see the medium, everything is 52, 50, less than 50, less than so that's the best thing. Don't go for, if this place is red, that means it's high. Don't make videos around it. Don't even try it. It's wasting your time. Okay, so I think that's everything to know as regards this. Okay, so the thing is, let me just show you guys something. Let me just show you guys something. Okay, I'm showing you guys something. Just chill with me. Okay, you see this result. You see my result. You see, I'm getting a. Let me just use a new channel to show you. You see, 5 subscribers, 28, 24 hours. So this like this 24 hours. This is awesome, guys, for a new channel. Okay, so last 7 days I have 400 views, 450 something views. Last 13 days. So this is like I'm getting results based on what I'm teaching you guys here. So let's just go to okay, let me just show you something now. So we want to upgrade our account. So this is the main thing now. Just follow me. Okay, so we're here. So we have different plans. We have the pro, we have the boost, we have the max. Okay. So just check it. You can just read it through. I don't have to explain everything. It's very simple and precise. Everything what it can do for you. Then daily video, 15 daily video ideas or great time features, AI recommendation for better videos. You create 5 trends, they will like help you grow your channel very fast because it's helping me and I will like show you guys everything sha. So this trick work for this boost plan. Don't click this one, don't click this one. It will not work. It works for this one, and this one is the perfect one because it's awesome. One channel upgrade to boost. Okay, so now so it says you see now for $49 is you can either pay with your debit card or credit card or PayPal. But we have a promo code and this where the trick happens. This promo code. With this promo code you can make a lot of money. You can save a lot of money. Just imagine you paying this amount every month. Just $50 is kind of little, but paying every month, I believe you can imagine how much you save every month. So we just click this one, have a promo code, we'll put our promo code think and we'll click enter. Guys, see the magic, guys. You see, promo code is 100% working. So don't share this promo code, don't share with anybody, please. Don't if you're not watching this video, you won't get this promo code. So you don't share this promo code, just put your promo code, put your card details and check out. And that's everything, guys. So if you love this video, just comment, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And remember to always log in your email before you start. Log in your email, create your YouTube channel. Just go to Canva, create your logo, create everything. Just make your channel dope. Okay, make your channel all awesome. So that's everything, guys. So that's everything, guys. That's so you see still valid here. Just check out. Just check out. Just put your card details and check it out. And check it out. And that's everything, guys. So after that, just come to this. You need this also. You need this as well. You need this. Is very, very, very important. Just come to this plugin here. This extension and type in vidIQ. Because you will needing the extension. You will need the extension. You see just click here. I have extension here. Do you see? I have it here, so that's why I cannot add. So you see that I remove, but I will not remove because I'm using it. So you on your own system, you see add to Chrome. So you can just add to Chrome and enjoy from the extension. You don't even have to log in. So that's everything, guys. So just like the video and subscribe to more and turn on the bell and turn on the notification button, okay, for more valuable content like this.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well.